Superstar, welcome to my channel. I'm MARYAM KAPAMA. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you're my day one subscriber, my regular returning supporter, I so much appreciate you. Welcome back. But if you're a newbie, hi, hello, welcome, and thank you very much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to make this thick and creamy hair butter. This is a guide for beginners because I only show you how to use this. Even if you don't have any gears, I'm going to show you how to make this creamy thick hair butter using a fork. If your goal is to grow your hair longer, thicker, healthier, and voluminous, then this butter is really for you because it's going to help you promote more healthy hair growth. It's going to add shine to your hair. It's going to help you treat dandruff. It's going to help you prevent premature graying. It's going to help you stop hair loss and a lot more. As I said, I'm MARYAM KAPAMA, natural hair superstar. I do DIY videos. I show you how to use different herbs on your hair and to help you grow your hair, guys. So be sure to click the subscribe button with the bell. First things first, guys, I have to shout out to this girl called Nasofa on Instagram. She sells these organic and refined butters and she sent me a lot of goodies and I so much appreciate. Hence to this video, she sent me a cup of essential oils, cup of shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, and a lot of stuff, guys. Be sure to check her all details in the description box. Be sure to check it, guys. So let's go make this butter, guys. Let's go make the butter, guys. To begin, you're going to need this heat-proof bowl. To start with, you're going to use, of course, shea butter from Nasofa. She's amazing, guys. Be sure to check the description box. I'm going to scoop reasonable amount, about one big spoon, to make this hair butter, guys. This butter is going to clean and going to smoothen your scalp and going to help you lock in moisture in your hair, guys. Actually, this butter is actually a multi-purpose. You can use it for both your hair and skin because I use Ayurvedic hair properties. So to learn everything, be sure to watch through. Also, I'm going in with cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is a little harder, so be sure to treat it differently. As you can see, I'm using a knife to chop a piece that's half size of the shea butter that I use. So if you're going to use like one big spoon of shea butter, you're going to use a half amount of of cocoa butter to that to making that mixture. Cocoa butter is amazing. It has this cocoa chocolate cocoa smell in it, so it's really nice working with it. And it's also a butter that's going to help your hair with locking in the moisture because, as you can see, it's nature, it's already hard, so it's going to lock in moisture after it's whipped. Also, we're moving into this wonderful soft and shiny butter called the mango butter. It has tremendous benefits when it comes to the hair, guys. It melts easily and it's going to help your hair lock in moisture. We are using a little of this because a little goes a long way, guys. If you're getting value, be sure to smash the like button, guys. Be sure to smash the like buttons if you're getting values. Next, you're moving on to this Ayurvedic hair oil that's going to work tremendously on your hair because here I made this using the double boiler method, the infusion method, that's going to help you get all these benefits in your oil that you're going to use, mixing it in your butters, guys. So if you're interested, which I know you are, I'm going to show you what I use to make this oil. Firstly and foremost, you're going to be using the coconut oil. Coconut oil is amazing because it has high sources of lauric acid, which is one of the main ingredients in the coconut milk. So don't worry because coconut has high content of protein, also has high content in vitamin. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, B3, B5, B6, and a lot more, guys. Coconut oil is amazing. It's going to slow hair loss. It's going to restore dry hair and scalp, and also it's very good at getting rid of dandruff. But if you have allergies or coconut oil is not for you, feel free to use avocado oil. It's a perfect substitute. Next, moving on to this wonderful bright shiny seeds called Fenugreek seed, guys. Fenugreek is amazing for the hair. It has fiber, protein, carbs, iron, manganese, and magnesium. It's wonderful when it comes to your hair. It's going to promote healthier hair growth. It's going to prevent premature grain, it's going to reduce hair loss, it's going to promote shiny hair growth, guys. It's amazing. Next to my favorite ingredient, this is the neem leaf, guys. I have multiple videos showing details on the benefits of using neem leaves, guys. Neem is amazing. If you don't know how to make these leaves, I'm going to leave a video in the cards and in the description box. Be sure to check them, where I show you how to make these leaves yourself. I'm just using 2 pinches of these leaves to make this wonderful, powerful, potent oil for your hair, guys. Also, if you don't have access to these leaves, then you can buy them in any Indian stores in the herb section, or you can check on Walmart and different places, guys. Just try to check it out. It's amazing. Also, I'm using similar amount of fenugreek seed to make the oil, guys. Next, moving on, actually the neem, let me say a few about the neem leaf, guys. Neem is amazing. It contains wonderful, it has amino acid, fatty acid, carotene, vitamin C, phosphorus, calcium. Neem is packed, guys. So for you to get all these full benefit that I just mentioned, be sure to use the double boiler method, where you boil water in a pot and then place the heat proof container that you kept your iron and your oil and herbs to infuse. About an hour or two, the oil will be well infused. But you can also use a long time method, that without double boiler, you can mix your oil like the way I just showed you and just leave it to a place with access of sunlight, so you can get to infuse little by little for few weeks. Assuming everything is well and well done, here is our oil ready to be used. It's green, as you can see. Coconut oil previously was white, like colorless, but now it's already green, showing that the ingredients has infused their nutrients. So we are having perfect herbal oil to make our perfect hair butter, guys. Using a strainer, we are going to strain this mix just to extract the oil into our butter, so we can make a wonderful potent hair butter, guys. Mix everything well. Once you're ready, place this to, again, the same method, guys, double boiler method, into a boiling bowl of water. Place the heat proof glass of or container to your water, so that you don't ruin the potency of these butters, guys. Be gentle, because they're innocent, and if you want to grip all the full benefits, treat them with respect. These butter are beneficial, guys. They're going to help your hair restore its natural luster, and your hair is going to look very healthy after using this butter, guys. It has this emollient soothing properties that are going to help your hair to add shine to dull hair, guys. So your hair is going to look really healthy after using this butter, because it's not only for your hair, but also for your scalp. So feel free to use the butter to your skin as well. When everything is melted, be sure to put it in the fridge for it to cool down. If you're getting values, guys, be sure to click the like button. Let YouTube know that you're getting values from me, guys. I love you guys for doing that. Also, comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions, opinion, or anything that you want me to do next, guys. Okay, when we're good to go, we're going to place this bowl to our container, to the refrigerator, where we let it cool down. Be sure to make sure that the butter has solidified soft enough to penetrate. But if you press it and you find inside there's still liquid, take it back to the freezer. And if you take it back to the freezer, make sure it's not really hard to operate with. If it's really hard to an extent that you cannot work with it, that it's so hard that you can't whip it, it will move like that, there's no way you can go for to preservative to storing container. We are pouring, and these are the awesome shots you've been waiting for, guys. So enjoy. Be sure to like this video, comment down below, and if you're interested to see how I make or how I use this hair butter on my hair, I'm leaving a video right here on the screen where I used this hair butter on my own natural hair, guys. It's really working amazing because it melts right away, guys. So be sure to check the description box to find where I got my butters, and also check other videos and details about the benefits of using all these ingredients. Guys, you like this video, click the thumbs up, and I'll so much appreciate. Be sure to follow me on all my social media accounts. They're down in the description box. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the video on the screen. And until next time, see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.